I'd always encourage everybody to look at SoftWash Systems, because I think it's not until you immerse yourself into all of the training or the support that you realise what SoftWash Systems actually stands for. It's the systems within the programs, the support that you get from AC. The training, I think, is probably the best training that I've experienced in my exterior cleaning industry. I think if somebody is looking to get into SoftWash Systems themselves, then I think that it gives you the massive supports, and it's not just to buy a SoftWash system or the chemical, it's the support that goes with it. So you don't need to have a massive experience in different elements of the business, because you can